The powerful earthquake triggering a wave of panic, thousands running for their lives. Screams filling the streets of Mexico City as buildings break apart and fear floods the capital. The 7.1 tremor bringing the region to its knees. Buildings that didn't collapse swayed across the skyline of one of the world's biggest cities. Plumes of dust rising from where structures used to stand. This man says we're trying to clear the streets so ambulances and firefighters can get through. Now the desperate race for rescues, removing debris from where many could still be buried alive. The death toll here uncertain, but the scene is grim. This woman says it was terrifying. With first responders scouring schools and hospitals, this country is on shaky ground. The epicenter near the Puebla state town of Raboso, 76 miles southeast of Mexico City. Earlier this month, an 8.1 earthquake killed 100 people in southern Mexico. Today's tremor comes exactly 32 years after the 1985 earthquake that killed as many as 10,000. In a country that uses an early warning system for earthquakes, today there was none.
Because the soil in Mexico City amplifies the shaking by a factor of 100 or more, they get a lot of damage from faraway earthquakes.
Tonight, Mexico is in a state of emergency, a region in peril now bracing for powerful aftershock.